Tell me, what happened, Jesse?
Actually, I feel very sad.
Why do you feel sad?
My friends laugh at me all the time.
Why do they laugh at you?
They laugh because my English is poor.
Oh, I see.
I try to speak, but I make mistakes.
Do they laugh every time?
Yes, they laugh almost every time.
That is not good.
I feel afraid.
Afraid of what?
Afraid of speaking English.
But you must try.
I try, but I fail.
Do not worry.
How do I improve?
Start with simple present tense
Why simple present tense?
because it is very important.
How is it important?
We use it every day.
Really?
Yes, we use it to talk about daily life.
Daily life?
Yes, daily life.
Can you give examples?
Yes, I give examples.
Okay, please.
I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning too.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth also.
I drink water.
I drink tea.
See? We use simple present tense.
Oh, I see. You talk about what you do.
Yes, I talk about what I do.
That is simple present tense.
It looks easy.
Yes, it is easy.
Do you speak English with your family?
Sometimes I speak English with my family.
Why not?
My family does not speak English.
That is okay.
Then how do I practice?
You practice with friends.
But my friends laugh.
You can practice with me.
Really?
Yes, you can practice with me.
Thank you.
I help you.
You are kind.
We practice simple sentences.
Okay, I listen.
I go to school.
I go to college.
I read books.
I read novels.
I like cricket.
I like music.
You see, these are very simple.
Yes, these are simple.
You try more.
Okay, I try.
Say something.
I drink milk.
Good. Say more.
I eat rice.
Very good.
I walk to the market.
Nice sentence.
I play with my sister.
Excellent.
Do you think I can easily improve?
Yes, you can improve.
Do you feel proud of me?
Yes, I feel proud.
Thank you.
Keep speaking.
Okay, I will keep speaking.
Are you looking to apply to study at all?
I wake up early.
What do you do then?
I wash my face.
What next?
I brush my teeth.
What do you eat?
I eat bread.
What do you drink?
I drink tea.
Very good.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up early.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
I eat eggs.
I do not eat eggs.
What do you eat then?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Nice.
What do you do after breakfast?
I go to office.
I go to college.
Do you study hard?
Yes, I study hard.
I work hard at office.
I feel happy when I study.
I feel happy when I work.
My teacher speaks English in class.
Do you understand her?
Sometimes I understand.
Sometimes you do not understand.
Yes, sometimes I do not understand.
Do you ask questions?
No, I feel shy.
Do not feel shy.
But my friends laugh.
Forget them.
It is not easy.
I know, but you should try.
Okay, I try.
You speak well today.
Really?
Yes, really.
I feel better.
Good. Keep practicing.
Thank you for help.
Always.
I feel more confident now.
I am happy to hear that.
But I still make mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes.
My friends do not make mistakes.
They also make mistakes.
Really?
Yes, everyone makes mistakes.
Then why do they laugh at me?
Because they do not understand.
I feel bad when they laugh.
Do not care about them.
But I care.
Care about your progress.
You are right.
Yes, I am right.
How do you practice English?
I read every day.
What do you read?
I read short stories.
Do you like stories?
Yes, I like stories.
I like poems.
That is good.
I read poems in my room.
Do you read aloud?
No, I read silently.
Read aloud.
Why?
Because it helps you speak.
Oh, I see.
You should practice speaking every day.
Okay, I will practice every day.
Do you watch English movies?
No, I do not watch.
Why not?
I do not understand.
Watch with subtitles.
I do not like subtitles.
But subtitles help you.
Okay, I will try.
I watch English movies every week.
Do you enjoy them?
Yes, I enjoy them.
I watch Hindi movies.
That is fine.
But I need to watch English movies too.
Then start from today.
Okay, I will start from today.
Tell me more sentences.
I clean my room.
Good. Say another.
I write in my notebook.
Very good.
I listen to my teacher.
Nice. Continue.
I help my mother in the kitchen.
Excellent.
I play with my brother.
Perfect.
I sing a song.
Wonderful.
I draw a picture.
Good job.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play cricket.
I play badminton.
Do you play every day?
Yes, I play every day.
I play only on Sundays.
Why only Sunday?
Because I work on other days.
Oh, I understand.
Do you play with your friends?
Yes, I play with my friends.
Do they speak English?
No, they do not speak English.
Then speak English with me.